Okay guys, this is the official holiday tour of the rebuilt house. I can't even believe it's only been a year and a half and the entire house is back. We're gonna give you a little holiday tour. Many of our friends helped us try and rebuild Christmas this year because of all that we lost in the fire. This is actually a Scandinavian marriage sled that for some reason I fell in love with and bought years ago. And these are beautiful outdoor decorations.
Welcome in.
Apparently we're German now. The dining room into the kitchen. Della Robbia was the sign of Christmas every year in our home when I was a little girl. My grandpa and my mom used to actually meringue and sugar fruits, and that's how you make Della Robbia. And this is the owl tree. All of our friends try to recreate all the ornaments and things that we've done for years and years here, and I think it's come out pretty good. What used to be our guest house that we've been the permanent guests of for a while, the outdoors is a little different. And the back porch was our big ta-da. Our little paper snowball lanterns. This was our garage, but I had to turn it into an office, a workspace. So now it gets decorated too, but just with a little tiny baby tree on the card table. Pretty nice use of a garage, all in all. So here in New York, you know, we don't have room for a giant Christmas tree in New York. No one does. No one does, right? So I've always only done the windowsills in this apartment, always. And I drew the idea of what Christmas could be here. And Susan and Peter, my friends from Finishing Touches, they came here and executed this for us by taking doodles and making them happen. Just falling lights with a little bit of garland. And they did the cutest Charlie Brown tree for me. These are not candles. This is just a piece of plastic that has little votives underneath it. Sparkly, beautiful trees, and mixed in all of our wine containers and just made it bright and beautiful in the corner as well. These were little animals that I found 21 years ago, and they were models for a little child carousel, and I just love them. Every little nook and cranny has some sort of brightness or light, and that's what we need. Just brightness and light. And the understanding of each other and one another, and the acceptance that we all need to live here together. We all need to live here together. Just brightness and light. Put it in your heart. It'll work.